Old Alabama gardener on how much water should I put in the bottom of my pressure canner. To be sure you have enough water in the canner, place a layer of old canning rings in the bottom of the canner as you see here. Then you place a canning rack, that's looking like a flat piece of metal here, on top of the rings to give you extra space for water. Now if you wanted to, and it made you feel a little safer with this thing about having enough water, you could place another layer of rings on top of the previous rack and then insert yet a second rack, which would then give you quite a bit of water space. Now this is an old rack that I came out of an old pressure cooker that I had, but it works the same. Now, how much water can we put in there? You can see I'm measuring here, and it looks like I'm going to wind up with about 1 3/4 inches of water. Using my method here of canning rings and racks, I'm going to wind up with water about 1/4 inch up the sides of the jars. What you don't want to do is have water halfway up the jar or covering the jar or almost covering the jar, because in a steam pressure canner, it's the steam that brings your temperature up to 240 degrees.